Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will show you in detail why I took this trade on Ethereum at 1,526. So I will break down the entry and why I took it. And as you guys can see right now, the market has been moving since I started to record it, but I will show you when the market activate my trade, when I explain the trade, and what could potentially happen from here. And yeah, don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you in detail why I took this. You could see how the market did activate my trade and how it slowly instead it did reverse from that level. And you could see on Prime XPT, I took my entry at 1,526. I did add 3 positions. Now, this was 0.02 because I usually trade NOS and it's completely different. So I need to have a bigger size the next time. Don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Prime XPT up to $7,000 right now if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, index, or Forex on the same platform. As I said, I am using this platform when I'm trading NAS, and it was actually now I wanted to take a trade on Ethereum. If you're someone that wants to trade only cryptocurrencies, I definitely recommend BUYLIMIT, because when you're holding your positions longer on BUYLIMIT, you have low fees while you're doing that. So this is a great platform for anyone that just wants to stick around when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It is a leverage trading platform. You also need a VPN if you're living in America. And this is also how you're supporting the channel, guys, so I'm always available for you. So Prime XPT is for index, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. When it comes to BUYLIMIT, you can trade on cryptocurrencies. You have 0 fees when it comes to spot pairs at the moment, and low fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time. You have all of the information in the description down below my video. So let's just get into it. The big box that you see, we are inside one Fibonacci level, and that is what the box is representing. At the moment, we are still in a uptrend. The market is still creating high highs and high lows. So what I did was that I took a Fibonacci on the 1 hourly chart, and we are inside another Fibonacci at the moment between 1,540 and 1,520, around these levels. Then I just went down to the 30 minutes chart. I saw that the market was pulling down. Okay, so I actually was looking more at the 15 minutes when I was analyzing this. So the market pulled back down. You saw how the market came down to 61.8%, retested the level, and based on that, we also had this huge momentum breaking certain levels. The market is usually not giving us a big drop or a retest. What I also did was that I took another Fibonacci from the lowest point to the highest point, and another thing that I also did on the 15 minutes chart was that I used another Fibonacci from the last lower high level, which the market then created a support against. Okay, that was one of the confirmations that I did have, that this level was supposed to hit us to the upside. The market did activate my trade at this candlestick that you can see, but I had it at 1,526. So I used the 50% as a take profit, but we came down to the 61.8%. We saw the market retested the previous fake out that we did have against this level, and this is usually what the market is doing before it actually is going to the direction it's supposed to go, is that it gives you some fake outs to some lower targets, and then it slowly instead it starts to work itself up inside this level, because this is where I do expect the market to do that, because that's what I know. Based on that, I'm using the Fibonacci. I am also using the Fibonacci take profits, and I do expect it to pull up to around 1,600. Market has also broken above another lower high level, which is giving me another confirmation that the market is heading up to this level. So let us see if this is gonna play out or not. If you're someone that wonders how it looks when you are analyzing the charts, this is how it looks. Now you know. Okay, so it was a couple of hours ago I did enter this trade, and I just want to do a update. I'm going to show you what could potentially happen now. So you see that the target is at 1,575 here. Okay, so we just have that in mind. One thing that I do have in mind at this moment is that If the market is going to continue to the upside, we need to break above 1,542 because this is the Fibonacci level, the lower high level that we have from the last high to the low. And this is actually representing the market reversing down. But based on everything else that I did explain in the beginning, this is the level that I am looking at to see that this will not be respected for another lower high, because it can definitely give us some more movements to the downside. Based on that, overall we did retest the 50% of this Fibonacci level where we do expect the market to drop from. This is the reason why I am definitely looking at it, and that is also the reason why you start to see the market is actually, you know, retesting these levels, and we don't have the power to continue up at this moment. Another thing that I can do right now if the market continues to drop is that we just might see the market on Ethereum drop down to potentially 1,533, 1,532 for another retest, if this will be where the market continues up, right? So the only thing, as I said, that I do have in mind at this time is that we're actually retesting another Fibonacci level at the moment, and this is where the market can drop from. But I know I'm gonna trust my analyze. If the market does reverse from here, that's just what the market is doing. But if I'm not continuing to follow my strategy and the rules that I do have, then I'm just gonna continue to be unsure about it. So this is the reason I'm gonna hold my position, see what's gonna happen. I definitely have in mind that the market is inside a reverse level, but we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen. But this is the update that I do have on Ethereum. I do hope that you understood why, and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, when I do have these type of daily updates, when I'm taking my trades. And today was actually a great day, even if it's a weekend and the market is really slow. But hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend, and we will see tomorrow how the market is looking, if the market is going to my take profit or if it's going to my stop loss. Have a great day everyone. Toodles.